Asana Teamwork. If you are looking for project management tools, then one of these two are going to be your saving grace. However, how do you determine which one is which? Today, we're going to put them head to head. We want to know which is going to be best for your personal and business needs. So let's dive in. All right, so if you haven't heard of Asana, you have been living under a rock. Asana actually offers powerful project management tools to organize work in a visual representation. Tasks can be broken down into more customizable sections like ready or in progress or done, which is great. You can actually also have your projects feature personalized cover images and flexible task configurations for your team's specific needs. This is great if you need to just break down more complex things into simplified little boxes. Also, you get this timeline view, right? So this feature actually provides a clear visual overview of project progress in a Gantt chart style. It actually displays task dependencies as well as each milestone, helping your team meet a deadline when it needs to. Also, the timeline promotes collaboration and adapts to project changes. You get visual progress tracking, task dependencies, as well as a flexible workflow plan. The workflow, talking about the workflows and their automations, Asana actually offers 36 automation options to streamline repetitive tasks and your processes. Rules can assign tasks, update statuses, and send notifications automatically. This, of course, can save you tons of time on that manual, mundane, boring stuff. And you can actually focus more on high value work or more high priority. Also, goals and reporting. So Asana helps set company-wide goals and track progress in real time. This means that while it's setting company-wide goals, you can also set team-wide and individual goals, and this can all be tracked in real time. Custom dashboards visualize metrics like project status and team workload, and reports align daily tasks with strategic objectives, which boost your transparency as well as your accountability. This is amazing. The last thing, of course, we need to talk about what it's going to cost you and how hard it is to learn. Yes, there are one or two drawbacks. So paid plans are a little bit more costly for smaller teams. If you are a small team or a small organization, maybe their cost is not aligned with your budget. Also, because it's so feature rich, it can be quite overwhelming. There's tons of features. You may even need to get some additional training so that you can really use the software as best to its ability. All right, so what a great name for project management, teamwork.com. So Teamwork offers flexible tools to organize projects that fit your specific workflow. You can actually choose from lists, tables, Kanbans, or Gantt views for full visibility. You can create, assign, and prioritize tasks easily with detailed controls. You can set due dates and add file attachments. You can use subtasks, dependencies, and reoccurring tasks. You can track time and get reminders, and you can break complex work into manageable pieces to meet deadlines reliably. One of the other things is their resource management. You can see your team's availability and workload at a glance. You can predict resource needs for better project planning, and you can avoid burnout by balancing tasks with capacity data. This is awesome. You get team collaboration, direct messaging, task commenting, and at mentions that keep teams in sync in real time. You can store and share files within task context for easy access, and all project data and conversations are kept in one centralized place. One or two of the drawbacks is their agency-centric design. So they're optimized for marketing agencies specifically, which is less ideal for other industries. Also, workflows focus on client service, limiting flexibility anywhere else. If you are working with large projects, it may actually slow your system performance, and there's no enforced two-factor authentication, which is a security risk So there you go, folks. Project management software at a glance. The key takeaway here really is to explore both of these tools and see which one fits your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.